Today, to warm up our voices, we are going to pretend that we are yawning and stretching. And sometimes when people wake up in the morning, they yawn and they make a sound like this. Ooh. Can you try that for me? Just echo after me. All right, I'm going to do a couple different yawning and stretches. I would like for you to echo after me. When the video is done, if you want to go ahead and create a couple of your own, that would be great before moving on to the next activity. All right, here's our first one. Ooh. Good job.